Hello and welcome to a new episode of us riding. Today I am doing something that is a little bit different. It's Sunday, but it's super hot in Switzerland and we both didn't feel like riding through the day. So we said we will take a sundown ride around one of Switzerland's most beautiful lakes, the Lake Lucerne, and then back via the Lake Zug. And I thought it would be a great opportunity to test this little guy here. I have a new Insta360 X5. I'm trying to improve the video quality for you guys a little bit. I was not totally happy with the quality I had in the past. I mean the quality of the Motovlog. Previously I was working with a big full frame DSLR. Now we're on GoPros. I understand that the quality has to suffer a little bit, but we try to improve all that. It's still terribly hot. We have 8 o'clock in the evening. It's still 31 degrees Celsius. I don't have the X5 running yet, so you're still on the GoPro. And I will get back to you as soon as we see something beautiful or when we are down at the lake. So we made it to the lake. This is really one of the most beautiful places here in Switzerland. Of course, there are a lot of mountains and stuff that are super beautiful. But Lake Lucerne is basically the heart of Switzerland. Here the Swiss Federation was founded. So I would say I keep on riding and I'll give you a montage of hopefully beautiful riding shots in 3, 2, 1, let's go. This was the first lake we are riding along this evening, and this here, a smaller one, is the second one. As said, my main goal is to test cameras and equipment and all that stuff. Let me know down in the comments how you like the quality, also the audio quality, because I'm more or less running the same setup all the time, so let me know how you find that. I'm very interested in it, and it of course helps a lot. Thank you for that. And as a little present for you, I bring you the beauty of Switzerland. Oh man, I mean, this is literally 20 minutes away from where I live. It's really beautiful. I love it here, and I'm still in the midst of the city, in the office to work in 10 minutes, right? So Switzerland everything is very close by, but it can still get quite remote, and it's a paradise for outdoor sports. As you can see, the guy here was fishing. I don't know if anybody cares about that, but maybe a little bit about the future of the channel. I will not go to a regular publishing schedule, because for that it's just too much work to edit that stuff, and I have a proper job as well, right? And I want to ride my motorcycle and all that stuff. But you can expect more videos in the future, so I'll try to ramp it up a bit. I have a nice series riding through France down to Spain, but that's almost 400 video clips. I started sorting them today and aligning the different camera angles. It'll take a little bit, so it's likely that this video will come out before that, but still a lot of stuff to do, and of course riding motorcycle here in Europe, also a lot of stuff to show you. Good, then we can enjoy nature a little bit more. Up in Idaho, I feel love. Kissing
not to love about Idaho. Secret is out, but no one knows. All of the heartbreak from years ago. Don't forget
And we're on our home stretch. It's 18 kilometers left. We will ride along another very small lake, but now I'm using the X5 in low light mode. From what I see here, it looks fairly cool. We will see how it looks on the screen. And I also, of course, have my GoPro running so that we can almost compare the two cameras, right? So far, it's a really beautiful ride. Handling the X5 works well. It's a little bit getting used to having this guy here, but I think it's a cool little tool. Now we're riding through a darker patch and have oncoming traffic with lights. Unfortunately, not really bright lights. Oh man, what a view, what a sunset. I love it. Okay, so as you can see, it's fairly dark now. We're almost home, 5 kilometers left. I would say that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you guys next time.